Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video on ThatGhostHacker's channel. Yes, I am back with another banger, and in today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to route all of your traffic on Windows through TOR and also on Kali Linux. So I'm going to be showing you guys a recording on my screen for Windows and also for Kali Linux. I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm working with in that banger of a distro. So let's get started. Bam! Here you can see I am over on my Windows 11 computer, and yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how to route all of your traffic through TOR on Windows. Now, not many people know how to do this. They know how to download the TOR browser on their Windows and have it run through the TOR browser, the browser itself, but not system-wide. I'm going to be showing you how to do that system-wide. So we're going to be using a tool called Tallow. So just type this in on your browser, and you will see this. It is called Tallow. It is a transparent TOR for Windows. And you can see here that all traffic from your PC is transparently going through the TOR anonymity network when you use this tool. And this is the tool that I use if I'm ever using Windows and wanting to route all of my traffic through TOR. This is a brilliant tool that I use, but it does have its pros and cons, which I'm going to explain to you guys as the videos continue. So you can see here, you can read the information if you want. I already have this downloaded. So you just want to go to the bottom here. Go all the way to the bottom here, and you can see the installer. It's Tallow bundle install.exe. You just get that one. If you want to download the second one, that's totally up to you. We're just going to keep it simple. We're just going to keep it simple in this video and just download the first one. And yeah, so just go ahead and download that. After you've downloaded Tallow, you can just, search it up, Tallow, and you can see the Tallow bundle. Just install that. I already have it installed, so you just got to go through the installation, and you can see this is what you would have on your screen, the Tallow app. And you can see that it's, turned off, but it forces socks for a, you can just see that this is not really a technical tool. It's just plain and simple, and that's kind of why I like it. But yeah, you just head over and click the button, the TOR button, and you can see that TOR is on, and yeah, you can just check if you're routed through TOR by going onto your browser and checking your IP address. This is what I'm gonna do right now. So let's go. DNS leak test is what we're gonna be using, and you can see that my IP address is showing 151.112.133. Now, this is certainly not mine. This is definitely not my IP address. We're going to be looking at the DNS as well and see what location it shows. Let's see. Oh, Sweden. So yeah, this tool also routes your DNS as well to go through TOR. Like everything is going through TOR when you're using Tallow. Everything that you're doing on your Windows, everything is routed through TOR. Brilliant. And you can see that my IP address has changed again, 185. This is amazing. So yeah, this is the tool that I use when I'm routing my traffic through TOR on Windows. And yeah, just wanted to show you guys and let you guys know that this tool is really good. But it does have its ups and downs. When you use this tool, I found out, at least me, when I use this tool, my internet starts to crash a lot, and also is very slow. Like TOR is generally slow, but this tool itself is very slow sometimes. But yeah, other than that, this tool is great. It routes your traffic through TOR. It definitely does work. And yeah, this is what you guys can download in the description below. I'm going to link it in the description. And yeah, it's free and open source as well, so it makes it even better. But yeah, let's head over to my Kali now. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys what I do on my Kali and how I route my traffic through TOR on that. So let's go. Switching over to my Kali Linux, you can see here that my IP address is already routed through TOR. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this on TOR, how to do that on Kali Linux. And yeah, it's even more easier than Windows. Actually, no, Windows may be easier because you just, anyways, both ways are easy, okay? Both ways are easy. But yeah, you just open up your browser. I'm going to be using the Mulvad browser. This is a really good browser, which I'm going to make a video on soon. But yeah, just type in on your browser KaliTorify. Now, KaliTorify routes all of your traffic. This is a tool that routes all of your traffic while you are, in your Kali Linux to go through Tor. Everything is going to be going through Tor, just like how I explained it for Windows. Is the same thing for Kali Linux with this tool. Everything is routed through Tor. It's the first the website, so just click on that. Click on that, boy. Before when I was recording my screen, it was like kind of slow. Now it's recording good. And when I made a video before, like a couple videos, and it was like, I don't know why, but it was coming out in big gigabytes. I was thinking, dude. Anyways, we are on the website now, so you can see that KaliTorify is a shell script for Kali Linux, which uses IP tables to basically route all of your traffic through Tor, just like I explained. So yeah, this tool is very simple, really useful. And this is the tool that I use on my Kali Linux. So, yeah, we're going to get straight into installing this tool, which is, not hard at all. You can give this a read if you really want to and read the information here. But we're going to go to the installation here. So you just want to copy this first one, git clone, and paste it in your terminal. I already have this tool installed on my Kali Linux, as you can see. Routed my traffic already. But yeah, just you guys want to install this, so make sure you install the git clone and, the dependencies. This is what you need, and the actual KaliTorify script itself. So yeah, just go through that, guys. And once you install it, I'm actually going to stop the tool because it's running, but yeah, but first I'm going to show you guys what it shows in the help command. So you can see here it says help, and -T is for starting the tour, -C is for stopping the tool, and the status and all of this goes in. Yeah, but what we really need is to start the tool. But we already have it started, so I'm going to stop it first. Check my IP address, you know what I'm saying? So let's stop this tool and start it and show you how it does it in real time. Let's wait for the merchandise to bam! There you go, running all my traffic. That easy, that simple. Your whole system is completely going through Tor. An anonymity network that not even the NSA can crack. It's crazy. But yeah, this is just a quick video, guys. I would say it's quick. 8-minute, but quick video just to show you guys how to route all of your traffic, on both Windows and Kali Linux. A comeback video because I haven't uploaded for 9 months or something like that. So obviously you guys can, get some good stuff, man. Get some good videos, man. I came back with a banger, man. So yeah, you can see that my IP address is bouncing. DNS is completely changed. And yeah, guys, if you did enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It's been ThatGhostHacker, and I'm going to be back with more videos, more Kali Linux videos, more Windows videos. If we need Windows. But yeah, guys, leave a like and subscribe, and yeah, peace. I love you guys.